Welcome to Stuff My Box with Nam Boris.
Nina of A Sound of Thunder.
Yay! So today we have for you another next gay thing. Super excited to try it again.
So gay.
Yeah.
I love it.
I know. We all love the gay.
Today's a special day.
What is it?
It's Superb Owl Sunday.
Ooh! Hence why we're wearing appropriate jerseys.
Yes, for sports. And because
Sports.
we're from DC, we're representing our DC teams.
Yeah, in Super Bowl. And the teams are
The Washington Capitals.
and DC United. Very appropriate.
Very appropriate.
How much we know sports.
I know.
But we look cute.
I mean, by the time you watch this, you will know the results of who won the Super Bowl. We don't know who's winning, but I'm really rooting for the Rams because they have 2 male cheerleaders.
Ooh, and who's not into ramming?
Tom Brady wore a MAGA hat, so fuck
Ugh,
that guy.
Disgusting.
Disgusting.
But before we get into stuffing the box, what are we drinking?
Today, we are drinking some cava, True Colors. And I actually really love cava because it's from Spain, so obviously I'm biased. It's sort of like champagne. It's brut, so it's not very sweet. I know. So Boris likes sweet things, so we decided to
Like
add.
I like my man.
Supporting LGBTQ acceptance. It's a partner of GLAAD. And it says you go to www.truecolorscava.com. I'm sure they'll explain everything there.
Very appropriate for the gay box in the most manliest sports of all, the Super Bowls.
Yes, where you reach under a man's butt and you just stare at it.
It's like a normal first date.
Yes.
I like that.
Yes.
We'll mix it with the appropriate drink, which is Smirnoff Ice, which is also super butch.
Super masculine. Yeah. Everyone loves Smirnoff Ice.
Yeah.
Boris.
Let's try it for the first time, this drink.
Clink. Clink.
It's so bubbly.
It is bubbly.
It's a lot of bubbles. All right, so let's open the box.
Ooh.
So this is our third time trying the box.
Yeah.
Because at Stuff My Box, we try things multiple times to make sure if it's really worth our money, which we spend on these boxes. And then maybe if you decide to buy it, you maybe should.
Some months are better than others, and I've noticed that with this box, the boxes have been getting better and better.
Yes.
Maybe they've been
Learning.
reaching us.
With a little pack that explains to you what's in the box and prices. So
Ooh.
there is a foot thingy. So is this like foot fetish?
I hope so. It's upside down.
Oh.
What language is this?
Open wipe, you're welcome. Is it like
It's a shoe
butt
wipe.
wipes?
It's not your butt. It's a shoe wipe. Unless you put a shoe in your butt.
Let's try and open it.
Oh, wait. Look. Pull down.
Oh, I totally did not see that little red thingy. I thought it was just there for the looks.
I have really good eyes.
Oh.
Let's see here.
Let's pull it.
So let's...
Ooh.
Oh, I think you can keep that there so it keeps them fresh.
It looks like it's multiple.
Yeah. It's like a makeup remover.
Or Lysol wipe.
Yeah. Okay, so... Yeah.
So we have this shoe.
This is a nice shoe.
All right.
Yes. Excellent.
Not into shoes.
It smells really good. It smells lemony.
Yeah, you need to rub it harder.
You need to rub it real hard.
Oh,
Actually-
wow, it's really good.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah,
Now
this
I
is
see
nice.
It. Now I see it better.
Yeah. So yeah, but we are at our house, so we have a lot of Converse shoes. So we tend to do that. Yeah, no, this looks nice.
Yeah.
Hey, Stia, you want to smell the shoe?
Yes. Cats love shoes. I don't know why.
All right, play with those shoes.
Yeah. Some pink elephants.
Ooh, those are so cute.
They are cute, and I know you like pink.
I do like pink.
Yes, I think these will be your drinking socks, because you know what pink elephants mean?
No, I don't.
Pink elephants mean that you're drunk. And it used to be like, you get really drunk and you see pink elephants.
I don't think I've ever seen pink elephants.
Maybe you will. Maybe you haven't drunk enough, Boris. I know. We gotta keep going.
All right,
We'll
let's
see these pink elephants.
I think your cat wants a drink.
Probably.
So should we try them on?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Hey, look. If this is a sock puppet, it's got a little Mitch Mcconnell neck.
Ugh.
Ugh, gross.
You can tell we live in DC.
I know.
More people voting is bad for democracy.
I'm from Kentucky. I have a stupid voice.
Lots of neck. Also, the best way to test if the sock will fit you is to fist it.
Yes.
When in doubt, fist everything you see.
Fisting.
Oh, look, it actually goes all the way up to my elbow.
Yeah.
Is this elbow? thingy. Well, yours will probably go all the way up to your like head.
To my armpit. Yeah, let's not do that though.
Dog puppy.
The Mitch Mcconnell neck.
Ugh.
Gross. You'll never look at socks.
See, I thought it'd be like balls or maybe your Adam's apple.
Adam's
thing.
apple. No, it's too
Yeah.
saggy.
Yeah,
Like balls.
saggy balls.
Saggy balls.
Have some boxes.
Ooh, Hawkins and Brimble.
That
And
sounds so fancy. Is it from Hogwarts?
It's from London.
Oh, okay, it is from Hogwarts.
Established in London to celebrate the 20th Century Fox long-awaited film Bohemian Rhapsody, we've created this limited edition pack and are giving you the chance to win a holiday prize for 2 to Tokyo, plus many more prizes. So
I like
apparently,
prizes.
win a Tokyo holiday in association with the Bohemian Rhapsody movie.
Alright, so nobody enter because we won that trip.
We want that trip. It's a box within a box. This is
Wow!
Sa Al and Co.
So alcohol?
Sa Al Co. and Co.
Let's open it.
Okay. It's made in Austria.
Oh,
Like Arnold
strong.
Schwarzenegger.
Oh, Arnold. It's not a tumor.
Alright. And pop.
So you know, it took me years to figure out that I could use that little nib to actually poke the thingy.
What were you using to poke it before?
Like small scissors that
Okay.
would fit.
Alright.
You know, appropriate object for appropriate hole.
So appropriate. Replenishes dry areas on dry skin richly. A dense
Wow.
and rich cream.
This is so thick. It's kind of like shea butter thingy, but it when it comes out, it's more like that. But actually, it's
That's
really
nice. That's really nice.
This is one of those things you don't want to use a lot because I think I just did too much. I just creamed all over
Just
with my
creamed all over his
moisturizer.
hands. Oh no, this is really nice.
It's like it's the first time of the day.
It smells good. It's like a minty kind of thing.
Yeah. You always want to make sure actually the moisturizer you wear smells okay because there are a lot of people who are allergic to the fragrances.
Yes.
And even though I'm not, there are some moisturizers that I have that I'm like, oh my god, I can smell it and it's so strong.
Yeah.
So always be cautious, especially at work. Make sure
Yeah.
you buy a moisturizer that actually doesn't smell.
Doesn't smell too much. This is
Yeah.
I don't want to
like
say
this.
smelly, but it smells good and I like it.
Yeah.
But I don't know
like
if
that.
everyone would like it.
Yeah.
But it's very I like it.
Yeah.
Very nice on the cuticles. Yes.
Cuticle sounds dirty.
Cuticle. Everything sounds dirty to you.
Yes, everything does sound dirty to me. Car. What you're saying?
I was saying I need more champagne. Oh, I'm sorry. This
Well,
isn't
you're talking
champagne.
about.
It's cava.
You're talking about pegging?
What? I don't know where he came up
Some
with that.
pegging?
Champagne. But
Oh.
it's actually cava. So, cava,
No.
again, it's from Spain.
Not the
Not
chain
champagne.
in DC, Cava Grill.
Cava. Oh, that's right.
Alright, so last but not least is our favorite part of the gay box.
Underwear.
Underwear! So let's open it.
What were you eating under there?
Wow, I've never heard of that one actually.
Never heard that.
I'm such a European.
European.
Um,
He's so European that he's actually gay and not just European.
yeah, no, yeah, seriously. It's weird, I know, right?
Yeah.
A lot of people thought, oh no, he's just
No,
European.
honestly, that's
no,
literally what I thought. I was like, Boris, no, he's just European. That's just how they all are.
No, gay.
No, super gay.
So, gay box always comes with your choice of underwear. By choice is you pick kind of the style and the size, and then they send the underwear.
Yeah.
These are actually the first trunks we've had, and we've had several gay boxes now. There's one category, you can choose boxers briefs, you can choose jockstrap, or it.
Oh, jock straps.
Yeah, there's a lot of really dirty pictures on their Instagram feed of hot man and jockstrap.
What is that Instagram feed?
Next gay thing.
Next game.
I know, right?
I'm just gonna.
I comment on their pictures quite a lot.
All right, I'm just gonna.
Because they're hot.
I'm just gonna.
So I'm a little
like-
surprised because these are diesel, which are great. I'm a big fan. I have a lot of diesel underwear. But one of the things I liked about the gay box is that it was introducing me to new brands I never heard about. So these are actually probably even though I love diesel and I love the gay box, this is probably the most boring underwear I've had.
Aww, disappointing.
Even though I have this exact pair. Maybe like red and lighter blue, I think I have. I have a lot of underwear. Oh my god, so much.
Nice underwear collection.
Yeah, I just bought like 10 more.
Good lord.
Yeah. But these are, I mean, I like them. I'll look great in them. I'll wear them. But I'm used to getting like the fun colors.
It's a nice fabric.
Yeah, no, it's really good. Yeah, I really like
nice
this.
And soft.
Also, if you have too many underwears, you can use them as a hat.
Is it?
See? It's a beautiful hat.
It
looks hot out.
It looks like a nun's wimple.
I am the best kind of nun.
Yeah.
The underwear hat nun.
The underwear nun.
Also, this is what underwear folding after laundry is in my household. I would put on my partner's underwear on my head as a hat because it's entertaining to me, not so much to him.
That's adorable.
He's shaking his head.
Sometimes my husband puts on my underwear as a joke.
Are there pictures of this?
No, there will never be pictures of this.
Well, maybe we can see that in private show.
Maybe. That'll be our Instagram premium channel.
OnlyFans or Pornhub?
Only real fans. Eddie Danger has OnlyFans.
Every gay man who has a six pack has an OnlyFans account.
I mean, I ain't mad.
I mean, I have a six pack for sure, but I don't have an OnlyFans.
Obviously.
But you should just like this video because that's what feeds me.
Maybe we'll put this video on Pornhub with a different title though. It'll be like Tiny Latina opens her box for a huge Belarusian.
Oh my god.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I think that's coming.
Yeah. It's coming.
So yeah, I think overall this was actually a very good box.
I agree.
Full item sizes.
Full size items, yes.
Yeah, so which is interesting because I think when the gay box started there weren't as many full size items.
Yeah.
And I'm glad because I don't want the samplers since I'm not gonna buy those items. Now if you give me a sampler that is give me this amount of stuff, but then on top will give me samplers.
Yes.
I'll probably use them and never go back to them, but yeah.
No, this feels good. This feels like you just took a trip to Target and got some good stuff. And this is the prices for these things is way more than the price of the gay box.
Yeah, so the box, and I always forget about it. It's about like $40, I think, maybe 30. Mm-hmm. And these items are all. So this is the most expensive things. The Saal moisturizer is actually $40. And how much does the shea butter or like those crazy moisturizers cost?
They're like $20.
$20?
Yeah.
Okay, that's very expensive.
But this feels really good on my hands.
No, I like, and it dried really fast. I have right now really dry hands because it's so cold out.
It's winter, yeah.
It's winter here.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, overall, this has been a great box. Mm-hmm. We really enjoyed it. We would highly recommend to you the gay box.
I would recommend it, even for straight guys. Like, honestly, you can use all of these things. There's nothing stopping you. My husband would use all of these things, especially the pink elephant socks.
No, I love them.
He's going to be jealous.
I'll be wearing them.
Yeah.
I just wish the underwear was more fun. The previous ones were so good. I'm actually shocked that that's the underwear. Sorry, gay box.
Gay box, come on.
Sorry.
Need more
can
colors.
do it. Yes. Yeah, I like the colors. Yeah. But yeah, well, thank you very much for watching Stuff My Box with
Nina and
Boris. Well, where can they find you?
You can find me at asoundofthunderband.com or follow me on Instagram at Dutch is a Dork, and same thing on Twitter, Dutch is a Dork. And we'll have all the informations and links below.
Yeah, and you can find me on numnumboris.com or any social media network as numnumboris. You find all the information somewhere around here, depending on wherever you're watching this. Please make sure to like, subscribe, fan, follow, pay us tips,
do things,
send dirty pictures to us to help support this channel as we're doing fun stuff by buying boxes ourselves.
And getting drunk.
Yes, there's a lot of drinking involved, of course.
Absolutely.
Bye.
Bye.
That was good. From Eastern Europe are well versed in all the ways of drinking.
Almost
alcohol,
all the ways.
mostly.
Almost all the ways.
What are the other ways?
You do tequila shots? Ooh. You ever drink tequila shots?
I mean, that's alcohol, so we drink.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay. What
absolute too.
What about butt chugging?
No, that is not appropriate behavior.
It's not appropriate. This is a Christian household. Do not do butt chugging.
That made me feel dirty. You just said that.
Well, then you gotta put something in your butt to make it feel better.
Maybe later.
Maybe with the next gay thing.
It'll be after our episode.
After hour.